All right, so I did the same example on divisor of a line second as the other video. I'm just doing it using translations instead of using the formula. Okay, so you can use that formula on page 18 of the formula book, or else you can do these using translations. All right, so as I said, it's the same example. So you are splitting up the line segment from 3 minus 7 to minus 9, 1 in the ratio 3 is to 1. Okay, and to do these using translations, you are first going to figure out what's the translation that gets us from A to B. All right, so A is 3 minus 7, and I'm going to the point B, which is minus 9, 1. So to get from 3 to minus 9 is what? That is minus 12. And to get from minus 7 to 1, that is plus 8. So that's the translation that gets me from A to B. Okay, is subtracting 12 from the x coordinate and adding 8 to the y coordinate. All right. Now what I do is I figure out if that's the full translation, how much of that translation do I need to get to this point? Okay, well, by dividing this line segment up into 3 and 1, you have divided it up into, I suppose, 4 segments long. Okay, 3 of them here, 1 of them here, but it is divided up into 3 and 1, 4 segments. You're looking for the points with the point which is 3/4 or 3/4 of the way along that line segment. Okay, so it's divided up into 4 sections, 3 of them here, 1 of them here. You are looking for the point which is 3/4 of the way to B from A. All right, so what do I do with my translation? Well, minus 12 multiplied by 3/4 is minus 9, and plus 8 multiplied by 3/4 is plus 6. Okay, so the full translation is minus 12 from the x and plus 8 to the y. 3/4 of the translation is minus 9 from the x and plus 6 to the y. So let's do that over here. So A is 3 minus 7, and I'm going to go 3/4 as far, I'll just call it the point C. So I'm going to go minus 9 from the x and plus 6 to the y. So 3 minus 9, that's minus 6, minus 7 plus 6, that is minus 1. All right, so the point C, the point which divides this in the ratio 3 to 1, is minus 6 minus 1. All right, so the same answer we got using the formula, but done here using translations. Okay, for the formula, you need to be dividing up. So you need the ratio, so 3 to 1 for the formula. To use translations, you need to convert that into a fraction. Okay, so that is 3/4 of the way along the line. Okay, so you need to be kind of comfortable enough moving between ratios and fractions, depending on which way you're going to do these questions, either translations or, as I said, the formula as it's done in the other video.